How to import Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Telegram mobile application and you need to go to your Telegram wallet. Now once you are on this type of page, tap on the gear icon in the top left hand corner of the screen and go to the tone space beta option. Now if you are not able to see tone space beta option over here, then you need to tap on the settings icon over here in order to enable it. You most probably be able to see the toggle button right next to it, so make sure that you enable that in order to get this option. After tapping on this option, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to tap to view the phrase. So you need to simply tap on it so that you could view your Telegram wallet's secret recovery phrase. So you need to just copy it from here, and this is we are going to use in order to log in into our Tonkeeper wallet or import the Telegram wallet of yours in your Tonkeeper wallet. So simply need to copy it and then you need to come back to your Tonkeeper wallet. Now if you already have an account on Tonkeeper wallet and if you want to import your Telegram wallet over here, then tap on the wallets option in the top and select the add wallets option. Now here select the second option, that is existing wallet, and here you need to just provide the secret recovery phrase one by one. You need to remember that it would be 12 words or 24 words of the secret recovery phrase, so you just have to provide them one by one in the section. Once you are done, you need to press the continue button in the bottom and then it will log in into your Telegram wallet in your Tonkeeper wallet successfully. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.